Year, fans, 2024, and welcome to my first unboxing for the new year on Monster Truck Classics. We are going to be taking a look at Bigfoot 4x4 from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Glow-in-the-Dark series. I really like the front of the card. We have like a monster truck tire, a mountain on the one side, and then on the other side there is a ramp and a monster truck shooting up into the sky. In the background is a night sky. Let's go ahead and take a look on the card on the back. We have a nice glow-in-the-dark Bigfoot. It shows you what will be glowing in the dark. It will be the roll cage, the suspension, and also the top of the motor and the front of the truck. And the other trucks in this series, the only one that I know of, the name is, I believe, 5 Alarm. I wanted to mention also that I really like the little card front here with the truck, and also on here, the sides. That's really nice. And the truck is also on like a dirt ramp heel. Hopefully you can see that. But let's go ahead and unbox it. Out of the package, we're gonna just take a look around Bigfoot real quickly. And so with those bright orange tires are very different. I think it goes along quite well though with this version of the glow-in-the-dark version of Bigfoot, and then the white wheels, and also I like the blue beadlock rings. It has a black chassis, which the motor is part of it. I can show you right there. Die-cast body itself is a lighter blue color than the other version of Bigfoot Hot Wheels, and they updated some of the graphics. One of them is the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks logo. It's updated. And the other one that I saw an update was ARP, and then underneath is very small. And then let's go on to the front here. On the hood of the truck, there's what it looks like with the updated graphics. Turn it around to the other side. There we go. And on the back of the tailgate, and then on the roof, Bigfoot Hot Wheels. Let me go ahead and turn the lights off. And here is it glowing in the dark. The motor, the front end, and the roll cage is all glowing in the dark. I do have pictures of it also, and I'll put those up as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the glow-in-the-dark Bigfoot for my first video of 2024. So thank you for tuning in.